This is Rogue Ecom and I'm Tamara. Welcome to the channel. If you're anything like I was and you're considering getting into sales funnels for your business, whether it be drop shipping or affiliate marketing or selling info products or digital courses, then this is the video for you. Now, the problem with all of the popular options is that they're way too expensive, especially for a beginner. So let's just go through all of this, and I'm going to give you a fantastic option at the end of the video, and we'll go through it. So let's just look at the popular options now. So the first one is Clickfunnels, and their base package is $97 a month, and they give you 20 funnels, and these are just the features. Okay, the next popular one is Kajabi. Their base package is $149 a month, and they give you 3 products, so like 3 courses that you can advertise, that you can run through them. The next one is Kartra. Kartra combines Clickfunnels and Kajabi into one, and theirs is $99 a month. Okay, so here you get email marketing included, you get help desk, you get automations, membership sites. So you get the whole deal. It's like Kajabi and Clickfunnels in one. So these 3 are like the main options, and they're quite expensive. $99, $149, and $97. Now, I stumbled across a French company. They're called SystemE. Now, these are fantastic. I'm using them now, and they're great. So you get yourself a 14-day free trial. So with all the other options, Clickfunnels, Kajabi, Kartra, all of those, when you go to sign up to their trials, you have to enter your credit card. And that sucks, because when you get presented with that, then a lot of people, they're not going to sign up, right? Because, you might forget to cancel it before you get charged $97 per month. So with these guys, all you have to do is literally just enter your email and you're in. You don't have to put a credit card. You don't have to do anything. And they've got all the features that you need. They've got a complete sales funnel where you can set up every single step. Okay, they've got inbuilt email marketing, so you don't even need an external autoresponder. You can do it within here. You can set up campaigns as well and automate everything. You can sell courses. They've got membership systems. So any digital courses you want, you can do them free, you can do them paid, you can do reoccurring memberships. You can even build blogs here. So if you didn't even want to create your own website externally, you can do it from within here as well. So they support drop shipping, and you can sell physical products and update tracking details and all that stuff. Like I said, you can launch a blog, you can run webinars, you can even create an affiliate program for your products or your courses. And they've also got a workflow where, for those of you who are more visual, then you can just organize everything visually through this. So just zoom in a bit so you can have a look. So for example, if somebody subscribed to the homepage, then you'd add them to a webinar tag. So this is within their email system. So you can tag everyone. So, you apply a tag to all of those who are new subscribers to the homepage, tag them as webinar. And if the person is tagged with webinar, then you can subscribe them to the registration campaign. And if they're not tagged, then you can send them this email. So it's great. Okay, so it's a 14-day free trial. After your 14-day free trial, it's $27 a month. $27, that's all. I'll show you the options. So once you finish your 14-day free trial, and if you enjoyed it and you do want to continue with it, then the base one is $27 a month, only $27, compared to all of the rest of these, $97 a month, $149 a month, $99 a month. And this has absolutely everything you need for a sales funnel. Okay, $27 a month, you get 5,000 email subscribers, inbuilt email marketing, unlimited funnels, unlimited emails, 3 membership sites, just all of this. over here. Okay, and if you wanted to upgrade to all of these ones, you can also do that. So it's fantastic. I highly recommend that you join the free trial. I got a link in the description, so use that to support the channel, and head on to your 14-day free trial. Like and subscribe as well, because I'm thinking of doing like a series about this where we'll just build out a sales funnel together, because SystemE is quite it needs a bit of figuring out. It's a bit complex, I think. So I'll go through it all with you, so you're able to maximize your 14 days before you decide to sign up to anything. So leave me a comment below, is that something that you're interested in? And I'll see you in the next one.